Hello everybody, this is Dr. Peter Swans with VitalForceNaturopathy.com, and I'm here to talk with you a little bit today about environmental medicine. And this is a very important topic to consider, and I think a lot of people are, considering how the way we live is impacting our environment, the pollution in the air, the water, the food we eat. And I want to really invite everyone to look first at home, and more specifically, how are we considering the environment in our body, right? Because health spreads from the self outward through the family, through the community, into the world. And so it's not just imagining what's going on outside of your home and in the water supply and from the companies and the corporations and the factories in your town, but really we should be thinking about the quality of the food we're putting into our body, the quality of the products that we're using on our body and then in our home. And what I want to suggest is that you check out the Environmental Working Group. The EWG is a great resource for looking at foods, which foods this year are showing the most toxic contamination. They have a great resource on their website listing specific products and grading products on their toxicity, their possible carcinogenic risk in our body. And with that information, we can begin to make better choices for ourselves. And as we become a more healthier version of ourselves, we then get to take our vitality, our energy, our passion for this change out, and that's where we really start impacting our community and our city and our state and the world around us. So that's my kind of ask or challenge for everyone, is really think about what you can do at home with yourself first, and think about that environment and how you can clean that up. And I think the EWG.org is a great resource for getting started there. So I just want to put that out there. I also want to give everyone a heads up. The next in-office presentation coming up is going to be on Tuesday, September 12th, 2023 at the Vital Force office. I'm going to have some information here for getting registered, and we're going to be talking about neuropathy and pain and alternative approaches for dealing with that. So I'm really excited for this next event, and I love everybody who's coming out and spending time with us here in the office. And so please feel free to share this video, share the registration information, and keep supporting the practice, and give it a thumbs up or a like or a share, whatever you feel inclined to do. So thank you again so very much. This is Dr. Peter Swans with Vital Force Naturopathy. I'll talk to you again soon.